Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this bling French tip look. I kind of started halfway through and then I realized this would be a great opportunity to show you guys what I'm doing. I've never done a bling set before like this, so I wanted to show you guys the process. I originally just wanted to show you guys how I was going to do this, but it actually turned out very well, so I feel like this process could also work for somebody else. Essentially what I'm doing here is just adding a red glitter French tip to all of the nails. That way the gems have a background to kind of shine off of. That way it isn't showing the nude, but instead it's showing the red, and it just makes the whole French tip look cohesive. As for my base colors, I'm just going to pop them up on the screen. These are the ones that I use for pretty much all of my French tips. This is a brand that you can get off of Amazon, and I do have an Amazon storefront. So if you guys are interested in getting this base color, actually both of these base colors, because I used a combination of two. So if you guys want either one of these base colors, be sure to check out my link down below in the description box. I do that base color for my French tip, the red. I'm going to do it twice, and then I'm going to move on to adding my gems. So for this, I was inspired by a couple of different designs that I found on Pinterest, but overall, bling French tips are technically nothing new. But all I'm going to do here is add my McCart nail glue all over the French tip and only to the French tip, not the base color, because I don't want to glue anything there. So I'm going to go in with a combination of the bigger gems that have like the unique shapes, and then also these circular gems, and kind of just fill in around it. There literally is no right way to do this. I feel like it's however you want it to look. But for this design, I'm going in with all of my favorite looking gems, kind of basing it off of the size of the nail. So since this nail is pretty big, I'm going to go in with some bigger gems. So this process was a lot of fun. It definitely took me a couple of minutes per nail, and I'm going to do this obviously for 10 nails, so you guys can do the math. But the French tips themselves also do take quite a lot of time, because I try to perfect them and make them look as crisp and neat as possible. I guess here it doesn't matter too much, because you will be putting gems on top, but you still want it to have that nice clean arch. But side note guys, Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a great 2023, and cheers to a even greater 2024. This is going to be a very exciting year for everybody. I hope you guys stick to your resolutions and get a lot of things done this year. I know for myself, I have a lot of fun things planned, so hopefully I'm able to make those dreams come true and get a lot of things done. If you're someone who's been following me for a little bit, you may have noticed that I've changed up my logo and my kind of brand in general, changed the colors. I needed something fresh. This is going to be my 3rd year of Yasmina Nail Co. Come February, I will have hit 3 years, and that's really exciting for me. So I thought in honor of that and in honor of the new year, I would get a new fresh logo and just kind of change up my brand. My brand is something that's really special to me, because it's something that I literally started on my own and kind of made it my own over time. My old design was kind of simple and clean, and it kind of reflected the work that I did. But although my work is still very clean, it's definitely more on the fun side, definitely more risky, and I'm just more willing to try new things. So with that, I thought that, redesigning everything and rebranding would be a great idea. One of the things that I really want to do this year is to maybe do a few more series. I feel like 12 Days of Press-Ons was a lot of fun and definitely challenging, but something that I enjoyed. I also just want to put out more and more videos this year for you guys, because I really do enjoy making this content, and I already know that I have my eye on a lot of different trends and techniques that I want to try, so there's no better way to do that than to make videos. So I just hope that you guys will stick with me through this journey, and thank you guys so much for the support that I've gotten thus far. I never in my wildest dreams would have thought I've been making videos to post on YouTube to share with other people, because it's kind of nerve-wracking, but definitely something that's been fun for me. But as you can see here, I'm just applying that top coat to just the base. I know when my mom finally wore this set, I did end up putting top coat all over the gems. To me, that kind of makes the shape of the gems look different, but I think it can protect it and help them from fading. This is what the final set looks like. I think it turned out so gorgeous. I'm so proud of myself. I love how this turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.